Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and quick review of OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone. This is the first smartphone, comes with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus processor. Okay, so guys, quickly open it up. And guys, now open the box of OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone. So in top here we get this small box. Quickly let's see what we get inside it. Okay, so in top we get the SIM ejector pin. Here you can see we get the SIM ejector pin, and this is the reading manuals, and this is the transparent back case. Okay, keep all this thing aside. And guys, here's the font self. You can see here's the font self. Okay, it is in Astar blue color, steady black, steady dream, and star wish red color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So guys, this is a really good thing. We get the USB Type-C premium earphones in this box available. Here you can see we get the USB Type-C premium earphones, which is a really good thing. And this is the USB Type-C to USB cable. You can see this is the USB Type-C to USB cable. And guys, this is the SuperBook charger. You can see this is the SuperBook charger. And if we talk about its output, you can see it will give you 5 volt 2 ampere or 10 volt 6.5 ampere maximum. So guys, this is the fast charger we get in the box. Okay, let's keep all this thing aside and come to the phone. So guys, here's the phone itself. In top you can see the highlighted features. It has AI highlight video, dual view video, 65 watt SuperBook 2.0 charging, and it has 3D borderless sense screen, and it comes with Dimensity 1000 plus processor, okay, which supports 5G. Okay, now quickly remove its plastic cover. So guys, you can see it's the phone itself. It comes with front and back with glass. Yes guys, it has a glass. It has glass on back and front. Here you can see. And if we talk about its touch, guys, it really feels premium, no doubt. It is a really premium look you get in the box. You get in this phone. I will like to inform you that it feels premium. And you can see some texture over there, some design and texture over there, and the branding of OPPO over there. And guys, the phone is really looking great, and it feels premium in hand. You can see it feels really premium in hand. No magnet, finger magnet. It really feels premium. Here you can see. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone, and on this side we get the power on off button over there, you can see. And on bottom we get the main speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and this is the SIM tray. Now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so it has a dual slot. You can install 2 nano SIM card. No micro SD card over there. No micro SD card slot available over there. You can see only insert 2 nano SIM card. Okay, and on this side we get the volume up and down key. And if we talk about the back, it has quad rear camera setup, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and over there dual LED flash available. And on front it has in display 32 megapixel camera available over there. Guys, it's really feels premium. I would like to inform you that the feel of this smartphone is premium. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus 7nm octa-core processor. It has 6.55-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. If we talk about the internal storage, it comes with 25612 and 128 8GB UFS 2.1 speed internal storage variant available. And it has dual nano SIM with dual standby feature available, and it has a quad rear camera support, 64 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 32 megapixel f2.4 aperture front camera. And if you talk about the battery, it has 4350 milliamp hour battery which supports 65 watt fast charging. And if you talk about the software, it is running on Android 11 color OS 11.1, and for better security it has in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device, and guys, this is the UI of OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone. Okay, if we slide from top, we get the notification bar. Here we get the helpful quick settings, and this is the brightness adjustment feature also available over there. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature available, and here we get some apps. Okay, you get, here you can see you get many bloatware, but simply tap on it. Okay, this will not uninstall. Okay, many bloatware will not install. I would like to inform you that many by default feature applications will not install. So you can see if we tap here, so you can see just tap on uninstall to uninstall it. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So guys, here you can see phone uses 17 GB out of 128 GB. Here you can see, so 112 GB available out of 128 GB. Now quickly go back, and if we go in about phone, so here you can see the device name OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G, and here's the Android version. It is running on upgraded Android 11. You can see it is running on upgraded Android 11. And if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of January 5 2021, and the color OS version is version 11.1. okay, now quickly go back and now check its camera performance. Guys, it has a quad rear camera setup, and we all know that OPPO Reno smartphone has a camera centric smartphone. Now check this out. So here you can see this photo I captured with OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone. Here you can see guys, no doubt the camera quality is A plus. Here you can see the camera quality is A plus. You can see if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo details. Here you can see we didn't lose the photo details. And if we talk about the color, it captures natural color. You can see it captures natural color. I will also share some photos and videos for a better camera and video quality details. This is AI highlight video, and you can see the quality of video I'm recording. And currently live HDR is on. Okay, if we talk about its in-display fingerprint, here you can see animation pops out. I put the finger and it's unlocked. Okay, do it many times. Okay, I would like to inform you the in-display fingerprint is really very fast and responsive. You can see I put and it unlock. You can see. Try it in another way. I put the finger and it quickly unlock. Here you can see. And if we talk about the face unlock, I see and it unlock. Okay, I see and it unlock quickly without taking a single nanometers. It unlock. I'm not seeing. I see. Okay, do it again. I see and it unlock. Okay, I'm not seeing. I see and it's unlocked quickly. Okay, now phone look at me and phone unlock quickly. You can see. Guys, I would like to inform you that the in-display fingerprint and face unlock both are really very fast and responsive. And the phone look is ultra premium. I would like to inform you that the phone look is ultra premium. Here you can see. In borderless screen, you can see in borderless screen the phone looks premium. So guys, this is the unboxing and quick review of OPPO Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.